Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to my lovely student. How are you all? I hope you are all well at home. So welcome back to my mathematics class 1, chapter 5.
Okay students, so in your maths textbook in our last we will now move towards the next, which is your page number 86. So you have to see in your maths textbook page number 86. Okay, so let's see. Now students, subtraction. Here now before we have did addition, now we will move towards the subtraction. अब कौन सा हम देखेंगे? We will see the subtraction. Is it clear? Okay, so now subtraction. First question is 7 minus 4. What it is given over here students? 7 minus 4. From on the number 7 we have to subtract 4. Yes or no? So now what to do students? So as I told you, you have to draw 7 sticks. How many? 7 sticks. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? First number 7. So you have to draw 7 sticks. Now from this 7 you have to subtract 4. 7 में से हमें कितने माइनस करने हैं? 4. So means from this 7 sticks we have to cut 4. इसमें से हम 4 कट करेंगे. So we will get the answer. So let's cut 4 sticks to know what we get answer. So here I am cutting 1 stick, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here I have cut 4 sticks. मैंने यहाँ पे 4 sticks cut कर दिए. Now after cutting 4, still how many remaining? So 1, 2, 3. How many remaining students? 3 sticks remaining. So here we get answer 7 minus 4, 3. So here you have to write down in the box answer 3. So everyone write down 8. Your next question is 9 minus 8. From the number 9 we have to subtract 8. Yes or no? So now students, what we have to do? We have to draw 9 sticks. हमें कितनी sticks draw करनी है? 9. So here I am drawing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have drawn 9 sticks. Now from the 9, how many we have to subtract? We have to subtract 8. So I will cut 8 sticks to know the answer. So just a minute. 8 sticks. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here I have cut 8 sticks. So after cutting 8 sticks, still how many remaining students? Here only this 1 stick remaining. That means 9 minus 8 we get answer 1. What we get answer students? 1. So here we have to write down answer 1 in this box. So come on everyone, write down answer. We will see the next one, which is your 2 minus 2. What was your next question? 2 minus 2. From the 2 we have to subtract a 2. So students, here you can see we are subtracting same number, right? So but still I am showing you the subtraction. Here 2 sticks I have to draw. From the 2 how many we have to subtract? 2. So I am cutting 1 and 2 sticks. So from 2 if I subtract 2, 2 minus 2, what we get answer? Can you found any sticks over here? No. So that means what? If we are doing 2 minus 2, so what we get answer students? Nothing, empty. So that means 0. So here you have to write down answer 0 in this box. So here you have to mention your answer 0. 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. Now next one is 6 minus 2. What it is given over here? 6 minus 2. From the number 6 we have to subtract 2, right? So first number is your 6. So for 6 we have to draw 6 sticks. So I am drawing it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have drawn 6 sticks. Now from this 6 how many we have to subtract? 2. So I am cutting from these 6 sticks, 2 sticks I am cutting. So here 1 cut, 2 cuts. So I have cut 2 sticks. Now after cutting 2 sticks, still how many remaining students after cutting 2? So let's count it here. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many remaining? 4 sticks. So that means if we are doing 6 minus 2, so we get answer 4. So here you have to write down answer 4 in the box. Okay, now students, your next one is this one. We will solve now this one. Okay, so your first question is that 8 minus 4. From the 8 we have to subtract 4. So first number is your 8. So for 8 we have to draw 8 sticks. So here I am drawing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So number for 8 we have drawn 8 sticks. Now from the 8 how many we have to subtract? 4. So I am cutting 4 sticks here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have cut 4 sticks. Now after cutting 4 sticks, still how many remaining? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many remaining students? 4 sticks. So that means if we are doing 8 minus 4, so what we get answer? 4. So here in the 8 and 4 line, same line in the box, you have to write down answer 4. 1. Is that clear? So 6 minus 5 we get answer 1. So here you have to mention your answer 1. Now we will see the next one, which is your 4 minus 0. Next question is 4 minus 0. If we do subtraction from 4 minus 0, means this one is also we can say 0 property of an subtraction. As we see in 0 property in addition, that in any number if we are adding 0 or if we are adding in 0 any number, so that number we will get as an answer. But here from the any number if we are subtracting 0, we always get that answer, that number जिसमें से हम subtract करें, right? So subtraction में भी 0 means nothing. अगर हम कुछ भी नहीं subtract करें तो क्या आंसर मिलेगा? So obviously जो number है वो as it is हमारा आंसर होगा. That means 4 minus 0 we get answer 4. So here write down answer 4. Now next one students, here 15 minus 4. Here subtraction already given. So in that way you can also do the subtraction, but we will draw the same as we are following, that we are drawing the lines and then do the subtraction, right? So 15 minus 4. So first number is 15. So we have to draw the 15 lines. So here I am drawing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 sticks I have drawn. Now from the 15, how many we have to subtract? 4. So I am cutting 4 sticks. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have cut 4 sticks as we have to subtract from 4, right? 15 में से 4 माइनस करना है तो 4 sticks हमने कट किए. Now after cutting 4 sticks, still how many remaining? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many remaining students? 11. So that means if we are doing 15 minus 4, what we get answer? 11. So here I am writing 11. So you have to also write down answer 11 in this box. Now students, your next question is 19 minus 7. What was your next question? 19 minus 7. So your first number is 19. So we have to draw 19 sticks. So let's draw it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. So 19 sticks we have drawn. Now from the 19, how many we have to subtract? We have to subtract 7. So from this 19 sticks, we have to cut this 7 sticks. So let's cut it students. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have cut 7 sticks, right? So from 19 I have cut 7 as we have to subtract 7 from the number 19. Now after cutting 7 sticks, still how many remaining students? So let's count. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many remaining students? We get answer 12. So that means if we are doing 19 minus 7, so we get answer 12. So here in the box you have to write down answer 12. Next question is 12 minus 1. What was the next question? 12 minus 1. So your first number is 12. So for that we have to draw 12 sticks. So let's draw it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 sticks I have drawn, right? Now from the number 12, how many we have to subtract, students? We have to subtract 1. So that means we have to cut 1 stick. So here I am cutting 1 stick. So from the 12, after cutting 1 stick, still how many remaining? So let's count. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What we get answer, students? We get answer 11. So that means if we are doing 12 minus 1, so what we get answer? 11. So here in the box we have to write down answer 11. Is that clear to everyone? So students, here you can see, here we all mention all the answers. 7 minus 4, we get answer 3. 2 minus 2, 0. 9 minus 8, 1. 6 minus 2, 4. 8 minus 4, 4. 6 minus 5, 1. 4 minus 0, 4. Then 15 minus 4 we get answer 11. 17 minus 2 we get answer 15. 19 minus 7 we get answer 12. And 12 minus 1 we get answer 11. So this one is your textbook page number 86. ये आपके textbook का 86 page number. Everyone understood all whole page of this page number 86? Yes or no? So now students, we will move towards the next page, which is your page number 87 in your maths textbook, right? So on the page number 87, we will solve first question, which is your 18 minus 8. What was your first question? 18 minus 8. From the number 18, we have to subtract 8. First number कौन सा है students? 18. So first I will draw 18 sticks. So here I am drawing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Right? 18 sticks I have drawn. Now from the 18, how many we have to subtract, students? We have to subtract 8. So from these 18 sticks, I will cut 8 sticks. So here I am cutting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have cut 8 sticks from the number 18 sticks. Okay. Now after cutting 8, still how many remaining? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. How many remaining, students? 10. So that means if we are doing 18 minus 8, so we get answer 10. So here in the box you have to write down answer 10. Can you see? Everyone write down answer 10. Now we will see next one, 17 minus 5. What was your next question? 17 minus 5. Your first number is 17. So I will draw 17 sticks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Right? Now from the 17, how many we have to subtract? 5. So from these 17 sticks, I will cut 5 sticks. So here I am cutting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have cut 5 sticks from this 17. Now still how many remaining? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many remaining students? 12. So, if you are doing 17 minus 5, so what we get answer, students? We get answer 12. So, here in the box you have to write down answer 12. Everyone write down answer 12. Now, next one, 11 minus 1. So, students, if we do 11 minus 1, what we get answer? 11 minus 1, what we get answer, Umama beta?
10.
Yes, you are absolutely right. If we do 11 minus 1, so we get answer 10. Yes or no? So, here we have to write down 10 in the given box. Yes or no? Understood, everyone? Now we will move towards the next. Now next one, 14 minus 3. If you are doing 14 minus 3, what we get answer? Yes, Muhammad Yasin, tell me beta. 14 minus 3, what we get answer?
1.
Yes, what we get answer beta?
11.
Yes, you are absolutely right beta. So if you are doing 14 minus 3, we get answer 11. So here students, you have to write down 11 in the box. Now next one, 12 minus 4. Yes, Waza Ibrahim, tell me beta, 12 minus 4, what we get answer? Waza Muhammad, Waza Ibrahim, tell me beta, 12 minus 4, what we get answer? Muhammad? 8. Yes, you are absolutely right. We get answer
8.
Okay, so we get answer 12 minus 4, 8. Everyone write down answer 8 is your 13 minus 0. So students, again here the 0 property of subtraction. If you are subtracting from any number, if you are subtracting 0, always we get answer that number. So here we get answer 13. Clear, everyone? So write down answer 13. So here you can see all the answers. Yes or no, everyone? Now we will do the subtraction of this number 17 minus 4. Yes or no? So if you do 17 minus 4, what will get answer, students? Get answer beta?
13.
Yes, so here we have to write down answer 13 as we get answer 13. Now next one, 18 minus 3. So if you are doing, students, 18 minus 3, what we get answer? Tell me, 18 minus 3, what we get answer? What we get beta? Yes, so 18 minus 3 we get answer 15. Everyone write down answer 15. Tell me beta.
मैडम आंसर कहना था यार.
यार बोलो ना, 15 minus 5, what we get answer beta, Ismail? Get answer, Ismail? 10. 15 minus 5 we get answer 10. Yes or no, everyone? 19 minus 8, what we get answer? 19 minus 8, what we get answer?
11.
Yes, you are absolutely right. We get answer 11. Right? Here you have to write down answer 11. Is that clear? 14 minus 4. So students, if you are doing 14 minus 4, what we get answer? Tell me, 14 minus 4, what we get answer?
10.
Yes, you are absolutely right beta. 14 minus 4 we get answer 10, right? So here you have to mention answer 10 in the given box. Now next one, 13 minus 6. So if we will do 13 minus 6, what we get answer, student? Better tell me, 13 minus 6, what we get answer? Let's do it. So students, here the first number is number 13, right? So we will draw 13 sticks here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, right? So 13 sticks I have drawn. Now from the 13, how many we have to subtract? We have to subtract 6. So I am cutting 6 sticks. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 sticks I have cut. Now from the 13, if I'll cut 6 sticks, how many still remaining? Let's count. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What we get, students? Answer 7. Here you have to write down your answer 7. Is that clear? Everyone mentioned this answer in your textbook. So students, here everyone completed this page. And now students, this one, number 1 and 2, this one is your students put the sign and solve. We can say number story, right? So this sums students we will solve it in a afterwards classes. ये जो story sums है ना, हम वो next में इसके बाद मतलब afterwards मैं आपको explain करूँगी, right? CW exercise is there. Okay. Now we will see the next page. Okay. Now next is your page number 88 in your maths textbook, right? And this one is the last page of your chapter number 5 in your textbook. Textbook का ये last page है. Yes or no? Okay students, your first question, let's start. First is 3 plus 7. So students, if you are doing 3 plus 7, what we get? So if you will do, see, after 7 if you will count for 3. So after 7, 8, 9 and 10. What we get answer? 10. So here in the box we have to write down answer 10. So everyone write down answer 10. Everyone mention answer 10. Now second one, 5 plus 8. So students, if we will do 5 plus 8, what we get answer? Tell me beta, 5 plus 8, what we get answer? Get answer Shifa once again.
1 to 13.
Yes, 5 plus 8 we get answer 13. You are absolutely right beta. Everyone write down answer 13. Next question, 6 plus 8. If we will do 6 plus 8, what we get answer students? जिसने आंसर नहीं दिया है वो लोग raise hand करेंगे. 8. Here the number 6. So after 6 we have to draw 8 sticks, right? हमें 8 sticks draw करनी है. So here I am drawing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now after 8 we have to count, after 6 we have to count till we complete this all these 8 sticks, right? So after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So what we get answer students? We get answer 14. So if we will do 6 plus 8, we get answer 14. Is that clear to everyone? Next question, 9 plus 9, what we get answer Patel Faiz?
18.
Yes Patel Faiz, you are absolutely right students. If we will do 9 plus 9, so we get answer 18. So here in the box you have to write down answer 18. Now students, next one, 7 plus 6. What was your next question? 7 plus 6. So first number is number 7 and second number 6. So here plus, so in the plus we have to draw for the second number sticks. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 strokes I have drawn. Now after 7 we have to count till we are covered this 6 sticks. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. What we get answer? 13. Yes or no? So here you have to write down. Students, this one remaining is your homework of this addition, right? And this subtraction we will solve it afterwards. But this one is your homework. आपको ये homework में करना है. Okay? So do it. So students, your textbook. In your textbook, your 2 sums in a addition and 2 sums in a subtraction on your maths textbook remaining, right? मैंने आपको बोला था that we will solve afterwards, that is in your textbook page number 85 and 87. These 2 page, on that 2 pages, here on the 85 2 sums given and on the 87 2 sums given of put sign and solve these questions, right? So now we will solve that question. Your first question is that Rahul has 8 pencils. Rahul has 8 पेंसिल, यानी राहुल के पास कितनी पेंसिल्स है 8. सोनू हैज़ 7 पेंसिल्स. अब सोनू के पास कितनी पेंसिल्स है 7. Rahul has 8 pencils, Sonu has 7 pencils. Now question is that how many pencils do they have altogether? Altogether का मतलब क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स, दोनों को साथ में मिला के. अगर राहुल और सोनू दोनों की पेंसिल एक साथ रख दे, so total how many pencil we have? So students, for that what we have to do? तो हम उसके लिए क्या करेंगे? So for that we will do the addition, right? So here on the box given tens and ones. So first Rahul has how many pencil 8. So at a ones place here I am writing number 8. And Sonu has 7 pencils. So here I am mentioning 7. And students, in this way आप देख सकते हो बॉक्स में ये लाइन ब्लैंक है. Here you have to put the plus sign. Is that clear? So here 8 plus 7. So first number students addition, for that I have already told you. First number you have to keep as it is. For second number you have to draw the sticks. So 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 plus 7. So 7 sticks I have drawn. In the number 8, if you want to add 7, so after 7 you have to continuously count it till you cover all these 7 sticks. So after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What we get answer students? 15. So then मैं 15 here I am writing in a side. Why? Because we get 1 and 2 digit answer and directly हम यहाँ पे ऐसे 15 नहीं लिख सकते. Why? Because on the one place we can mention only one number. एक place पे one digit number ही mention कर सकते हैं. So 15 के भी places mention कर दे. Right hand side first number is at a ones place and tens place. So this 5 ones place 5 you have to put at a ones place over here, and this tens place 1 you have to put here tens answer. Tens place में यहाँ पे answer क्या mention करना है ना here. So 15 you have to mention it like this. So is that clear to everyone? No one will directly write 15 over here. Understood everyone? And the second question, question number B. Farida plucked 4 apples. How many apples Farida plucked? 4. सीता plucked 6 apples. सीता ने कितने plucked, यानी हम लोग तोड़ते हैं ना flowers को, that like that. So plucked 6 apples. Now both put them all together. All together यानी एक साथ. दोनों ने जितने भी एप्पल्स प्लग किए थे वो सारे एक साथ एक बास्केट में या कहीं पे रख दिए. नाउ क्वेश्चन इज दैट हाउ मैनी एप्पल्स आर देयर नाउ. तो अभी टोटल कितने एप्पल्स हैं हमें वो फाइंड आउट करने हैं. सो हियर इफ यू सी द बास्केट इज देयर. ऑन दैट बास्केट फरीदा प्लग्ड 4 एप्पल्स. तो फरीदा ने अपने 4 एप्पल्स रख दिए. एंड सीता प्लग्ड हाउ मेनी 6. सो सीता ने अपने 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 एंड 6 एप्पल्स रख दिए इन द वन बास्केट. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट हाउ मेनी टोटल एप्पल्स आर देयर. सो वी पुट ऑल टुगेदर ऑल द एप्पल्स. नाउ वी विल काउंट हाउ मेनी टोटल एप्पल्स. सो हियर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Total 10 apples. So that means on the 6 apples we have to add these 4 apples to get the answer. So in it we have to do the addition. Yes or no? So now here we are mentioning 4 apples which been plucked by the Farida and 6 apples over here as it is plucked by the Sita. And we have to do the addition. So in between over here I am putting a plus sign. So 4 plus 6, as here we count the total apples, how many we get? We get 10 apples. So again students, here you can see 1 and 2 digit answer. 2 digit answer. So we can't directly write 10 over here. So I am mentioning ones and a 10. So आपका right hand side का first digit की place होगी ones and next one tens. So this ones place 0, you have to put at a ones place in a answer column here 0, and this tens place 1, you have to put at a tens place in a answer column over here, answer box. Is that clear? So 10 you have to write down it like this. Like this way you have to solve it. That's okay, understood? Third question is that Sohan's mother brought यानी उन्होंने लेके आए हैं, brought right 9 bananas from the market. वो मार्केट से 9 bananas लेके आए हैं. She means who is Sohan's mother. She gave 4 bananas to Sohan. उन्होंने जो 9 बनानास बाय किए थे, ब्रॉट लेके आए थे, उसमें से 4 बनानास उन्होंने सोहन को दे दिए. नाउ क्वेश्चन इज दैट हाउ मेनी बनानास वॉज शी लेफ्ट विथ, यानी हाउ मेनी यानी कितने बनानास वॉज शी, उसके पास, शी मीन्स सोहन्स मदर, उनके पास लेफ्ट यानी बचे. टोटल 9 बनानास थे. सी हियर 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Sohan mother is having 9 bananas. From this 9, 1 2 3 and 4, these 4 bananas she given to the Sohan, right? उसमें से ये 4 bananas उसने सोहन को दे दिए. Now after giving these 4 bananas to Sohan, how many still left with her? यानी अभी भी सोहन की मम्मी के पास कितने बनानास बाकी है? सो इफ यू विल सी 1 2 3 4 and 5, हाउ मेनी बनानास स्टिल लेफ्ट विथ सोहन मदर? 5. यानी हमने क्या किया स्टूडेंट्स, टोटल जो 9 बनानास थे उसमें से ये 4 को कट किया, यानी माइनस किया, सबट्रैक्ट किया, तो हमें पता चला दैट सोहन मदर हैविंग 5 बनानास लेफ्ट, right? So that means we have to do the subtraction of 9 4. Is that clear? So here ones place number first 9 bananas brought by the Sohan's mother, and from that 9 bananas this 4 bananas given to the Sohan. Now we want to find out the left, how many left bananas for in with Sohan's mother. So for that we have to do the subtraction. So here we already did 9 minus 4. So how many we get? We get answer 5. So like this way you have to solve it. Is it clear to everyone? Possible? Okay. Your question number D, the last one. Rahim had 8 flowers. How many flowers Rahim had? 8. He put 3. Here 3 spelling given means 3. He put 3 flowers in a vase. Flower vase होता है ना, उसके अंदर 3 flowers उसने put कर दिए. Now how many flowers was he left with? Means was left with यानी उसके पास कितने flowers बचे, यानी उसके पास 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, ऐसे 8 flowers थे, right? So from that 8 flowers he kept 3 flowers, this 1 2 and 3. ये 3 flowers जो थे स्टूडेंट्स उसने एक flower vase के अंदर रख दिए, like this. Can you see? Right? Now after keeping these 3 flower in a flower vase, still how many remaining with this with Rahim? यानी रहीम के पास अब कितने बचे? सो इफ विल काउंट, सो सी 1 2 3 4 5. हाउ मेनी स्टिल रिमेनिंग? 5 flowers still remaining with Rahim. Is that clear? So that means what we did, from this total 8 we cut these 3. हमने total 8 flowers में से ये 3 flowers कट किए, तब हमें आंसर 5 मिला. So that means we have to do the subtraction in this sum. So here ones place, here number 8 and here 3, and minus sign you have to put over here as we have to do the subtraction. So here we already did 8 minus 3, what we get answer? 5. So here in answer column at a ones place you have to write down the answer 5. So everyone understood put, sign and solve. So here students, we complete your chapter number 5 numbers from 10 to 20. हमारा 10 to 20 वाला लेसन यहाँ पे ओवर हो चुका है. I have already complete you all the exercise in a textbook, right? टेक्स्ट में हमने बहुत सारी एक्सरसाइज देखी थी. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी सीन द नंबर्स फ्रॉम 10 to 20, right? Then we have seen tick the more objects, missing numbers, before, after, between numbers, bigger numbers, smaller number, biggest number, smallest number. Then we have seen addition and subtraction. Addition subtraction देखा और लास्ट में हमने ये एक्सरसाइज देखी which is your put, sign and solve. So inshallah next we will start the